That's right. I am so not sorry. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. Fuck the rain. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me. You wouldn't let me say the words I long to say. You didn't want to see light through my eyes. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know, couldn't talk about sex. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I could speak my mind. And I'm not sorry. I'm so not sorry. It's human nature. No, I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me. I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about you. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me. Did I say something true? Did I have a point of view? Did I say something wrong? Or did I stay too long? 'Cause I'm not sorry. It's human nature. No, I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me. Not your bitch. Not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me.